मेरा नाम शिवा कुमार है। मैं कक्षा नवम गांधी स्मारक विद्यालय का छात्र हूँ। मैं बिहार के जहानाबाद ज़िले में रहता हूँ। Let's start. Our topic is feedback. Before my starting word, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shiva Kumar. I read in 9th standard GM International School, Jahanabad. First of all, I give a lot of thanks Rahul Sindhar sir and Maheshwari ma'am because both taught very well. Maheshwari ma'am teaches very well. She teaches spoken English classes. The style of teaching is very well. She understands to all very well. Which apps she teaches, it is famous all over India. She says to student, if you have doubt, you can ask. Um, she says it this is a spoken English class. It won't learn in a day or a week. If you will do practice, then you can improve yourself. When I had attended my first class, then I was feeling I'm learning tenses. After 2 months, we can speak English. One thing is very well where she speaks to us कि we should make a composition and speak fluently. If you will do this thing, after that you will train to make composition and speak fluently. Thank you.